The song The Climb by Miley Cyrus. The song The Climb by Miley Cyrus connects deeply to the idea of volatility, which means instability, constant of change, and unpredictable challenges in life. Volatility can describe both emotional ups and downs and unpredictable nature of life's journey. In the song, Miley Cyrus expresses the struggles, obstacles, and disappointment that people face as they pursue their dreams. These struggles reflect the volatile moments of life, times when things don't go as planned, when emotions shift between hope and frustration, or when challenges appear unexpectedly. The lyrics, "There's always gonna be another mountain, I'm always gonna wanna make it move," capture the essence of volatility. Mountains symbolize the ever-changing challenges that appear in life. No matter how stable life seems, new difficulties will always arise. The mirrors the idea of volatility, the fact that life is not constant or predictable. The climb represents the ongoing effort to overcome those challenges, showing that life's value lies not in avoiding instability but in learning to go through it. Volatility can also be emotional. In times of hardship or failure, people can feel discouraged, angry, or lost in. The Climb, the singer, acknowledges these feelings but emphasizes perseverance and patience as they keep responses. The line ain't about how fast I get there, ain't about what's waiting on the other side, it's the climb. Reminds us that life's unpredictable challenges are what shape our strength and character. Instead of being consumed by emotional volatility, the song encourages listeners to find stability and peace within themselves. Instead of giving up when things become unstable, the song encourages us to stay strong and keep moving forward. Like it reminds us that true strength comes from self-control, patience, and faith in the middle of life's volatility. Ultimately, the climb shows that volatility is a nature part of life, full of challenges, emotions, and change, but also that it can be a source of growth. Every struggle and setback, no matter how unpredictable, contributes to personal maturity and resilience. The song transforms volatility from something negative into something meaningful. A reminder that through life's ups and downs, the journey itself makes us stronger, wiser, and more patient.